I'm Mr. Olivi Glabo, the public school teacher of Dalagiti National High School.
How long have you been teaching?
It's almost 30 years. This coming August 23, 2023. It's my 30 years in teaching.
What is your position in the school?
I'm teaching agriculture subject, grade 9 and grade 10. School coordinator of solid waste management, district coordinator of Gulayan, district coordinator of Subbusog, and a district coordinator, National Breeding Program. Information dissemination regarding the cleanliness, proper waste disposal to the students. So every Monday, we are going to announce after flag ceremony regarding the proper waste disposal, waste segregation. So the students should be imparted the purposes why we should always clean our school. With or without the contest, we are doing the cleanliness. Remember, garbage is created by man. So only man can solve the garbage problem.